Hello, and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to talk about the NUN network. This network does not have any access to the outside world. The NUN network adds a container to a container-specific network stack. That container lacks a container interface, so it's totally isolated. This kind of container is called closed container. Let's see it in action. In order to create a closed container, we can use the --netnun option in the docker run command. Here, we do docker run --netnun busybox sleep 1000. This should start up a closed container in the NUN network from the busybox image. Sleep 1000 should keep the container in running state. Now, let's log into the container and verify that this is indeed an isolated container. We copy the container ID first. Do docker exec-it. Paste the container ID and do /bin/ash. In case you don't know ash, ash is a very lightweight Unix shell. Busybox is a tiny Linux distribution which comes with ash instead of bash shell. Now we're logged inside the container. To verify we're disconnected from the outside world, we can ping Google Public DNS, which is 8.8.8.8. If we ping this IP from our host machine, as you see, there is no problem to reach Google Public DNS. If we ping this IP from the closed container, the IP is unreachable. This container is isolated from the outside world. Now, we run ifconfig command inside the container to list all the network interfaces of the container. As you see, there is only one network interface. This is a special type of interface called loopback interface. It is not connected to any networks and is assigned a special IP address 127.0.0.1. It is mainly used by internal applications on the localhost machine to communicate with each other. The biggest benefit of this isolated network model is that it provides the maximum level of network protection because the containers cannot be reached from outside the host. However, this network model won't be a good choice if network or internet connection is required. For example, if the application requires making HTTP requests to the outside world. This isolated network suits well where the container requires the maximum level of network security and network access is not necessary. That's it for this lecture. I hope you have enjoyed it.